We have to determine which of these sentences is statement. First, what is statement? Statement is declarative sentence that is either true or false, but not both true and false. So let's read first example. We have a good day. What we can say about the sentence? We don't know if it's true or not. It's just comment. So this is not statement. We have 210 as even number. If you don't know definition of even number, you don't know it is even number or it is not even number. But the sentence is either true or is false and is not both true and false. So it is statement. Do you like shopping? This is question, so this is not statement. We have x squared plus 1 is greater than 0. We have x to second power, so this gives us always positive or equal 0 number. Plus 1, so on the left side we will always have positive number. So positive number is greater than 0. So this sentence is true. So this is statement. Next example, we have Berlin is in Europe. Berlin is the capital of Germany. So we know that Germany is in Europe. So this is true sentence. So this is statement. And we have sentence today is Monday. The true or false this sentence will depend of which day you will do this example. For me, I have today Tuesday, so this sentence is false. But we always can say that this is false or true. So this is statement. This is my solution.